get started, go to Add Media, select Stock Media, search for your topic, select a video clip, and click Add. Drag your media clip to the video track on the timeline. If needed, zoom in using the Zoom tool. To add text, click on Add Text, select a title text, and click Add. Drag the text to the text track on the timeline. Double-click on the text to edit. Add your title and the space provided. You can also change your fonts or colors. Click Close when you are done. To add intro music, go to Add Media, click Stock Media, select the Audio tab. Select an audio clip and click Add. Click and drag the audio clip to the audio track on the timeline. Click on the edge of the video clip and drag it in line with the text clip. Click on the audio track in line with the text clip. Click Split and delete the remaining audio clip.